If there's one thing us matched bettors have in common, it's that we love to take money from the bookies. I've always been curious about tipster services, so in January 2016 I decided to give it a go. I set about finding a horse racing tipster with a solid reputation. After trawling the internet, including many tipster review sites, I finally settled on a service called Bet Alchemist. What is Bet Alchemist? Bet Alchemist is a horse racing tipster service, run by professional race analyst, Nikki Doyle. Nikki has over 30 years experience in the business and, after spending many hours analyzing and studying every aspect of the game, he started to make a lucrative income betting on the horses in his early 30s. In 2012, Nikki founded the Bet Alchemist service as a means of sharing his knowledge and skills. Yes, he likes to make money, but he's also driven by the enjoyment of helping others to be profitable. How does it work? You'll receive an email as soon as the selections are available. You can then log in and view the latest selections via your Bet Alchemist dashboard. It's always best to use an odds comparison site like OddChecker to find the best odds before placing our bets. All selections are provided with detailed reasoning, where Nikki explains exactly why he thinks the horse is a value bet. Bets are placed each way to help avoid losing runs. With most of the selections being at long prices, it's actually more profitable to bet each way. Nikki sees this as his winning edge. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.